And this is the cathedral. This is known as Freiburg Munster. This is Kaufhaus. People used to pass through and then reach the cathedral. So I'm almost at the bus station. Hardly another half an hour ಅಷ್ಟೇ Freiburg. So ಹೋಗೋಣ. Currently here I am at Freiburg and I roughly have around 2 hours to explore the city. Maybe I'll just visit the Altstadt and let's see the cathedral and I guess there's one more place known as Munster. Let's check it out. Hey, Papa sariya cut madidilla. Here we are in Freiburg and this is the cathedral which I wanted to visit. This is known as Freiburg Munster. It's a Gothic cathedral with a lot of stained windows and it also has a 750-year-old bell which just rung. I didn't get there in time. So this is how it looks. And we also have beautiful marketplaces and dining area. This is Kaufhaus. It's a museum, so it's not opened yet because it's 9 in the night. This was the Barclay stream which I was talking about. And there in the distance you can see the tower. So that would be the old gate which people used to pass through and then reach the cathedral. Freiburg ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಫೀನೋ ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಬಟ್ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಕ್ಯೂನಲ್ಲೂ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫೈನಲಿ ಬಂತು ಗುರು, ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋರೆ. See guys, that's the Mona Lisa. Yeah, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ರೌಡ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ.